Hello, my sweetie smarty learners. Hope you all are fit and fine. I'm your host and host. Welcome you all in Learnsmart's English tutorial. And this is our second part of noun. So, wait for what? Come, let's continue noun. But before starting our topic noun, I have a question in my mind that what is noun? Let's find out what is noun. Nouns are naming words. Learners, did you all remember we did an activity in the previous video where we write few names of a person, place, thing and animals. So those names are known as what? Those names are known as nouns. Nouns are naming words. Names of a person, place, thing or animal is known as nouns. Okay? Now let's learn them all one by one. We all have many people around us and all of them have their names, right? Now take a look to these pictures followed by following names below. Shreya, Rohan, Devika and Rahul, etc. So learners, as you all can see, these all are the names of person. That is why name of any person is called noun. Now let's move further. There are some places around us that we all daily or weekly visit, and these places have also their names. Now look at the pictures and the names that follow the pictures. Hospital, parks, school and gym. Learners, these all are the names of any place, right? And because of that, these names comes under the naming category of any place. So here we can say that name of any place is also called noun. Things around us have their names too, such as pen, book, lunchbox and table, etc. Now look, there are 4 names of things that comes under the naming category of anything. Names of anything is known as noun. Now move further to our next category. All the animals also have their names, such as tiger, cow, dog and cat, etc. Learners, these names of animals are also called nouns. Alright, now let's do an activity. In this activity, you all need to do is identify the nouns in the following sentences. Okay? So, shall we start? Alright. Our first sentence is Shreya bought a new bicycle. Here, in this sentence, Shreya and bicycle are nouns because Shreya is a name of a person or a girl and bicycle is a thing. My dress has beautiful flowers. Learners, here dress and flowers are nouns because dress and flowers both are the things. Teacher use blackboard to teach. Now it's your turn. You all identify the nouns in this sentence. Yes, teacher and blackboard are the two nouns present in this sentence because we call a person as teacher who teach us and blackboard is a thing. And now let's take a small recap of what we learned today. Noun is the naming words. In names of any person, place, thing or animal is known as noun. And that's all for today. I hope you all really like today's video and learn well about noun. If you like this video, then like and share our video. And if you have any suggestion or query, then comment below in the comment section. And don't leave without pressing the subscription button and pressing the bell icon next to the subscription button. You all can follow us on our Facebook page, our Instagram account and our Telegram account via the links provided in the description box below. And now it's time to leave and we will meet again in the next video with another smart topic. Till then, take care of yours and your near and dears.